Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The economic calendar for the days ahead outlines a range of important updates, signaling potential changes in market conditions. High-impact data releases, in particular, are worth paying attention to for potential price shifts. Upcoming releases may hold surprises or confirm trends. Monitoring the market and being prepared to act quickly will be important in the coming days.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Gold edged down as traders booked profits after prices hit a near three-week high earlier in the session, while hopes that resumption of U.S. economic data could prompt a Federal Reserve rate cut next month limited losses. Oil prices gained on the impact of the latest U.S. sanctions on Russian oil and the optimism over a potential end to the U.S. government shutdown. Although oversupply concerns limited gains, the lack of demand for spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds is raising concerns about Bitcoin's prospects for the rest of the year, even as the U.S. government appears to be nearing the end of its 41-day shutdown.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair rose 0.5% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The oil gained 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.